Instructions 1 and 2 were just a couple of errors. In fact, I did a video of this that was in the assignment box. So this states this should be renamed state and not states. And because of that, it did not find everything else. So now it would, because it couldn't, it messed up all of 1 and 2. In the billboard table, go to Design View, and the DEC should have a description over here that was daily effective circulation. Also in the billboard table, the location field, that's this one, should have a field size of 75. The advertiser table should have imported to it the support file. It's an Excel file that's imported into this table. You have no records in this table. You should have 24 records. There's an example of that in the assignment box. There's a video of that. The billboard listing query, go to Design View, should only have the state of Washington on it. So on the criteria line, type WA and then run that. And you have 4 come back instead of everything. Advertiser query should actually be advertiser form. It's under the forms, and that's what they asked you to name it. And it looks like it may have been based on the query. Nothing's in there because the advertiser table had not had those 24 imported into them. The ad rep update form, third one. This one should be changed to 90 Mesa Verde Street with a period at the end. It looks like that you changed the first customer instead of that one. So this would need to be changed back to its original.